Today we will study about relative pronouns. By definition, a relative pronoun refers to a person, place or thing we are talking about. Who, where, that, which are relative pronouns. Now, who is used for people? Let's make sentences using relative pronoun who. I have a friend who lives near my house. The students who have passed are here. She knows a teacher who can teach you. They can take you to a doctor who can help you. Do you know who was wearing the red coat? So, who is used for the people? Where is also a relative pronoun that is used for places. Let's make sentences using relative pronoun where. I am in Islamabad, where a famous festival is happening. That's the hospital where she was born. This is the beach where they went for picnic. Do you know the school where she teaches? So, the relative pronoun where is used for places. Now let's use that or which, the relative pronoun that are used for things. Now let's make some sentences. This is a best book that you can read on this subject. Which of these movies are historical? The books which are lying here and there are on English grammar. The fossil which was found in France was stolen. The museum that has the best collection is closed today. Now here the key point is that we use that for both humans and things, and we use which only for the things or non-humans. Let's do an exercise. Fill in the blanks with correct relative pronouns. As we know, the relative pronouns are who, which, where, and that we have learned in this video. So, let's do this exercise. We have a visitor who is from Lahore. We are using who because visitor is a person. They showed us a watch which was found in Egypt. We are using which because watch is a non-living thing. A band is a group of people who plays music together. A stage is a place where you see a band perform live. We are using where because we are talking about a place. Mario's is a cafe that sells the best coffee. Hope you have understood the concept of relative pronouns and the use of relative pronouns in English grammar, and you will be able to solve the exercises related to it. Thank you.